Hey, how's it going, guys? Kat right here. So I'm so excited for this video. To tell you the truth, I'm a little bit embarrassed about this video because I'm going to show you why polymeric sand fails. And one of the main reasons I'm embarrassed about this is because I've made this mistake. And it kind of sucks because you have to go and just tear it all up and lay the polymeric sand again. But I do love polymeric sand, so watch the video if you want to see why polymeric sand will fail. But if you got to do it right. So polymeric sand is a joint stabilizer that uses a ceramic chemical to help it bind and really be flexible. I absolutely love polymeric sand. I've used it in so many places in our yard, but I just love that it's the whole flexible part of it. But you do have to follow those manufacturer's instructions very closely to the T or it will fail. So one of the main reasons polymeric sand will fail is kind of an environmental reason. Is the area that you are laying the polymeric sand with has to be extremely dry. You have to have no rain for about 24 hours, which isn't hard for me because where I live, we live in quite a bit of a desert. I mean, we just went summertime. I think we were like 2 months without any rain. So that's not a problem for me, but I'm sure somewhere where it rains all the time, you might run into an issue with this one. So another big reason why polymeric sand will fail is you got to follow the manufacturer's instructions, and it has to be about 1 inch to 1.5 inches thick on the bottom and then around all the stones that you're doing. I have seen this before where somebody was laying it and they did it like 3 inches apart, and it was just too much for the polymeric sand to try to keep it all together. So another big reason polymeric sand will fail is the way you use the water. Like I said before, you got to follow those manufacturer's instructions, and you don't want to get it too wet, but you want to make sure to get it wet enough. Because when I messed up on this the first time I used polymeric sand, is I just didn't get it wet enough. I was afraid that I would get it too wet, and I just didn't quite use enough water. I could see that the sand was like just hadn't really bound like it was supposed to. So yes, that was totally my mistake, and I haven't done it since, so I hope you don't do that either. Well, friends, just know that I love polymeric sand. I have screwed up on this once, but I definitely won't do that again. I have it in many places in my yard. I have more plans to be using this in other places. So I hope that you can learn from my mistake and other mistakes and go and use polymeric sand and enjoy it and love it as much as I do. So remember, work hard, play hard, have a wonderful day. It's getting a little windy out here, but I think we're gonna go have a fire. Have a good one.